Beginner's Bliss 10-minute morning yoga routine. Want to kickstart your day with energy and calm? Join me for a quick 10-minute morning yoga routine perfect for beginners. This routine is designed to refresh your body and mind, setting a positive tone for the day. Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled to guide you through this morning yoga session. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to re-establish a practice, this video will help you cultivate a sense of peace and focus. Morning yoga offers numerous benefits, including increased energy, improved flexibility, and enhanced mental clarity. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you'll find yourself more balanced and ready to tackle the day's challenges with ease. Before we begin, find a quiet space where you can move freely. Grab a comfortable mat to support your practice. Having a dedicated area will help you fully immerse yourself in the experience and get the most out of each pose. Let's start with a brief warm-up to prepare your body for the yoga routine. Gentle movements and stretches will help awaken your muscles and joints, ensuring you're ready to flow through the poses with ease and avoid any strain. Transitioning smoothly into the core of our yoga session, we focus on balance and strength. Tree pose encourages stability and concentration. By grounding through one leg, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and balance, both physically and mentally. Warrior pose follows building upon the strength and stability established in earlier poses. As you extend your arms and bend your knee, you engage your entire body. This powerful stance enhances endurance and mental fortitude, setting a strong foundation for the day. Cooling down is essential after an energizing session. Seated forward bend allows for gentle stretching and relaxation. This pose helps release tension accumulated in the back and hamstrings, promoting flexibility and easing the body into a state of calm. In corpse pose, we find ultimate relaxation. Lying still, you allow your body to rest and rejuvenate. This meditative state helps integrate the benefits of your practice, leaving you refreshed and ready to tackle the day with a clear mind. After physical exertion, a calming breathing exercise brings focus back to the breath. Deep, mindful breaths calm the nervous system, reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity. This practice anchors you in the present, setting a peaceful tone for the rest of your day. Mountain pose helps you find your center and build a strong foundation. Stand tall with feet together, grounding through your feet. Engage your thighs, lift your chest, and broaden your collarbones. Firm your shoulder blades onto your back. Breathe deeply, feeling balanced and steady. Forward fold offers a soothing stretch for your back and hamstrings. From mountain pose, hinge at the hips and reach for the ground. Let your head hang heavy, releasing tension in your neck. Keep your knees slightly bent for comfort. Plank pose strengthens your core and builds endurance. From forward fold, step back into a straight line from head to heels. Engage your abdominal muscles and hold this position. Focus on steady breathing to maintain stability and control. Tree pose cultivates balance and focus. Shift your weight onto one foot and place the sole of the other foot on your inner thigh or calf. Bring your hands to your heart or overhead. Find a focal point to help maintain balance. Next, focus on a calming breathing exercise to center your mind. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This practice helps to reduce stress and fosters a peaceful state of mind. After the breathing exercise, take a few moments for deep relaxation. Allow your mind to clear and your body to rest completely. This period of stillness helps consolidate the physical benefits of the routine, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated. To wrap up, let's recap the routine and its benefits. Morning yoga invigorates the body, enhances flexibility, and promotes mental clarity. Incorporating this routine daily can significantly improve your overall well-being and set a positive tone for your day. Incorporating a morning yoga routine into your daily life can have transformative effects. You'll experience increased energy, improved flexibility, and mental clarity throughout your day. Making this practice a habit can significantly enhance your overall well-being and productivity. Staying consistent with your yoga practice will yield long-term benefits. Even a short 10-minute routine can make a difference. Embrace this opportunity to invest in your health and witness the positive changes it brings to your life. I encourage you to like this video if you found it helpful. Your support motivates me to create more content that can help you on your wellness journey. Subscribe to stay updated with new videos and routines designed for you. Feel free to leave a comment sharing your experience or asking any questions you might have. I love hearing from you and am here to support you. Your feedback helps me understand what you need and how I can better serve you. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more ways to enhance your well-being. Until then, keep practicing and taking care of yourself. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.